Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing this PR package I got from Buri Buri. You have seen me review some of their solid gels in the past in a previous video, so now they sent me this huge kit full of different things to unbox and review, along with some new solid gel colors that they came out with. So as you can see, everything was packed neatly into this black box with the cute little ribbon, and here I'm showing you everything that's included. They had two different buffer blocks that are really useful. This one is for natural nails actually, which I really appreciated because I had my nails grown out, as you can see in the video. They also included two different glitters. This one is a purple, the other one is a blue. You will see it later on. They had these cute little pearls, which are perfect for nail art. As you know, I love pearls. I really use them a lot. And it was really interesting to see that they had some bigger ones as well, which I don't actually have any of. So that was really cool. There were all these different little foil line tapes. I don't know exactly how to call them, but they're really nice for nail art. I have a lot of these as well. But these are colors that you can work with, like silver and gold. They had this gel brush that is used for the solid cream gels, and if you remember from my last review, I am not really a fan of this brush. I think that's the only thing that I didn't really like in the package. They also gave you a little cuticle oil, which I actually really liked. It's a very thick one, so it's really moisturizing and it smells really nice. I haven't actually had any other kits include a cuticle oil pen, which is really cool. That's really neat of them. They also had this little cuticle tool that helps you remove them, some tweezers that you can pick up the nail art with, and even toe separators. This is like so thoughtful. I love everything that goes into it. They also had nail forms that you can use. They had a cuticle pusher, and you can see the other blue glitter that I was talking about previously. It's a really pretty reflective glitter. And there were also nail clippers inside, which is also really cool and thoughtful. The next little baggie that I opened had this brush cleanser cleaner gel, which is really cool as well. That's like a very thick gel that you can clear your brushes with. They had a matte top coat, a base coat, which is all obviously very useful for these kinds of kits. And they also had this different kind of apart from this top coat that you see now, they also had this little pot one, which was very thick, and it reminded me of a Japanese top coat, which is like a hard gel that you essentially lay on top, and it's very shiny. So yeah, that was really cool. I used it to put some gems on. And now we wanted to show you the colors. I included the shade of each pot, as you can see as well. And these were their Nude series, so I chose this color because I prefer the nude ones. They also have more like pastel ones, rainbow ones. They have a lot of shades, and the consistency of this is really nice as well. They're very creamy gels. You will see me play with them later on. They're very interesting. I like the texture a lot, and they're very pigmented as well. So with two coats, I think I fully covered my nails, and they look really pretty. So these are all the colors, and yeah, as you can imagine, it was a huge kit. It has so many things inside, and I liked everything so far. So let's go ahead and use them so you can see how they all apply and perform. So yeah, the very first thing we're going to be doing is applying a layer of base coat to all of our nails. I have gone ahead and put my gel overlay on my nails because they are my natural nails, just so that they're stronger, so they're shiny from that. I just left the tacky layer on, and yeah, their base coat is great. It's not too thin, not too thick either, so it's not runny. So I liked it quite a bit. I liked it the last time that they sent me as well. The first color that I'm gonna go with is this. It reminds me of a cappuccino color. I like it a lot, and you can see the texture, like what I mean about these gels. They're very creamy, and they're very easy to work with. They're not streaky, and pretty pigmented. So yeah, for the price point, these are really good gels. I like them a lot. Definitely recommend them. I wanted to use at least two colors, So I went ahead and I painted this color on 3 of my nails, and as I mentioned earlier, I did not like the brush, so I used my own solid gel brush that I use, and I did 2 coats of these colors on my nails. So that's pretty much it for this part. So I wanted to try and use as many of the things that they included when it comes to nail art. So I used this silver tape and I added a few lines on all of my nails, and I kind of used that as a separator to add a little bit of glitter on some of them. So as you can see, I chose this purple one. I thought that it matched these colors better. I dipped into that Japanese style top coat that I told you guys about earlier, that they included in the kit. I think it's meant to be a rhinestone gel, but it was described as a top coat, I think. So I just used that, since it's a thicker gel, to have a base to stick the glitter onto, and it worked really well. Honestly, I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, I just went ahead and I applied that first, and then I dipped my brush into the gel and just stuck the gel on top. And I also used the same gel to adhere the little pearls on the rest of the nails. So some of the nails had glitter on them, and some of the nails had these pearl rhinestones on them, which I liked quite a bit. I think they're really cute. And of course, you cannot forget the top coat on all of the nails. This is an essential step, and I used the one in the bottle. It was runnier than the one in the pot. Went on very easily. It was very shiny, cured perfectly. So yeah, no problems with that as well. Last but not least, I went in with the cuticle oil they had in the kit, and as you can see, it's very thick. Like, you can see it's not runny or anything, so it smelled really good as well. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you to Buri Buri for sending me this package to review. I hope you liked the video and that you give this a try. I will have everything linked in the description for you guys to find, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!